In order to produce lens modules for smartphones, Samsung Electromechanics, which provides Samsung with camera modules for Galaxy smartphones, intends to use an inkjet printing technique. The Elect has discovered that the firm can manufacture the lens modules by substituting non-glass ink for the films used inside the lens modules to stop flare and ghosting, as well as the camera getting thinner. The new technology may make its debut with Samsung's Galaxy S26 series of smartphones, which are scheduled to appear next year. Samsung specifically intends to use inkjet on the internal rib surfaces of the lenses. These are the exterior margins of each lens's light receiving area. The lenses are secured in place by rib surfaces. However, some light may bounce off these surfaces and make its way to the image sensor, resulting in ghosting, flare, and other effects that reduce the image's quality. On obscure light, films are currently applied on these surfaces. By reducing the distance between the lenses, non-glass inks can be used for this effect in place of films, making the lenses smaller. This makes it possible for lens modules, which are used in smartphone cameras, to stack numerous lenses in the direction of the optical axis and allows for more creative lens design. 6 lenses are placed one on top of the other. It's known as a 6P lens. Higher resolution is made possible by using lenses of different shapes, which bend more light. The market is seeing a trend towards slimmer cell phones. The Galaxy S25 Edge, which measures 5.8 mm in thickness, was just released by Samsung. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.